investing in the stock market and start looking at reasons why you should be investing in the stock market. I don't make enough money is not an excuse. I promise you, you can start investing with as little as $1. Now, you might not get rich off that $1, but if you continue that process and you repeat it, that $1 can turn into a substantial amount of money. And if you're investing for future generations like your kids or grandkids, they can benefit from what you're doing today, tomorrow. And when you look at it like that, and you look at how much the cost of living has increased for you as an adult, you remember what it used to cost to go buy groceries and what it costs today. The same thing is going to happen to them. And if you don't want to see them struggle, you could do something today to make them have a brighter future. So what I want you to think about is in 100 years, you're not going to be here. Somebody else is going to live in your house. Maybe it'll be family members, if you're lucky. Your car, it's going to be scrap metal. We've all seen that video. But in 2 generations, will they remember your name? Do you remember your great-grandfather's name or your great-great-grandfather's name? You know, the Rockefeller family knows theirs because of what he did. And all the future generations that are born into that trust are going to continue to know who he is. He did something so iconic as well with his businesses and everything, but what he did is he created generational wealth that's never ending, because even if one of the members of the trust found a way to squander the entire fortune, the death benefits that are taken out on each family member in that trust protect that wealth. So it gets returned back into the fund regardless. So you can structure your investments today into a trust that does something similar. You want to start though. So if you don't start, how can you ever know what it could turn into? But if you go online and use a dividend compounding calculator with reinvestment, you'll see how big of a difference just a few dollars a day, a week, a month, doesn't matter. Obviously, the more you do, the faster it's going to work. But think of it like a snowball. If the snowball is really small and starts rolling down the hill, it just continues to get bigger. So what are you waiting for? Down below in the description, there's a link. You guys can get started today. It's up to you. But at the end of the day, generational wealth is waiting. Thanks for watching.